We are happy to welcome you to the SKESL Mobile App. SKESL.com has over 4,000 lessons, and you can find every one of those 4,000 plus lessons in the SKESL Mobile App. On top of that, the SKESL Mobile App has more functionality and better features. You can record your voice while practicing conversations and studying vocabulary, study with interactive quizzes, save your favorite lessons to study later, and a lot more. The SKESL mobile app is divided into 7 main categories. It has been designed to allow you to easily move from lesson to lesson and category to category. You can click on the menu button or tab in most sections and move to different categories quickly and easily. Also, each menu has a button that takes you directly back to the main page. One of the best features about the SKESL mobile app is that you can study online or offline. If you want to study offline, simply go to the drop-down menu of the category and download the offline mode files. The lessons in the English grammar and ESL listening categories can be used offline even without downloading anything. Some of the files are very large, so the download time can vary depending on the files you are downloading and your internet connection, but you can still use the app while you are downloading. We also recommend that you delete offline mode files that you are done using to save space on your phone. If your phone turns off while you are downloading the offline mode files, the download will stop, but it will automatically resume after the phone is turned back on. Finally, please allow permission to any dialogues that appear in order to make sure the app works correctly. Again, we are happy that you have decided to start using the SKESL system. If you have any problems or questions, please contact us at support@skesl.com.